My fellow adventurers, I believe that by subscribing, you'll unlock a world of captivating content and join a community of passionate individuals. However, it breaks my heart when I see that only 29% of the viewers are subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me, and will help my channel a lot. Before diving into the enchanting world of William Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, it's important to have a basic understanding of the main characters. Let us shine a spotlight on one of the central figures in this delightful tale. Oberon. Oberon is a majestic and enigmatic figure, embodying the essence of royalty and magic as the king of the fairies. As the ruler of the mystical realm, Oberon wields immense power, and his character is characterized by a combination of regal authority, mischievousness, and a profound understanding of the human heart. Physically, Oberon is a commanding presence. He stands tall with a commanding presence, his form draped in flowing robes that shimmer with iridescent hues of green and gold. His eyes, the color of emeralds, sparkle with wisdom and an otherworldly gleam. Golden locks cascade down his shoulders, framing a face that bears both a sense of ageless wisdom and youthful vitality. Oberon possesses an innate sense of authority and a keen understanding of the delicate balance between the mortal and mystical realms. As the king of the fairies, he exudes an air of regality, commanding the respect and loyalty of his subjects. Oberon's decisions are guided by his deep knowledge of the complexities of the human heart and the desires that drive mortal souls. Beneath his regal exterior, Oberon is mischievous and possesses a playful sense of humor. He delights in creating mischief and weaving his magic to influence the lives of humans, often to teach them valuable lessons or to set things right. Oberon's mischievous nature is tempered by a sense of justice, ensuring that his actions serve a higher purpose beyond mere amusement. Oberon's character is also marked by his passionate nature and his capacity for both love and wrath. His love for his queen, Titania, is deep and abiding, representing a powerful bond that transcends time and circumstance. However, when crossed or when he deems it necessary, Oberon can become a formidable force, capable of unleashing his wrath upon those who defy him or threaten the balance he seeks to maintain. Despite his occasional temper, Oberon possesses a profound understanding of human emotions and desires. He recognizes the complexities of love and the turmoil it can create within the hearts of mortals. This understanding fuels his interventions and his desire to use his magic to influence the course of love, often with the intention of bringing resolution and harmony to the lives of those he touches. Oberon's character arc is marked by a balance of power and wisdom. As the story unfolds, he undergoes personal growth and learns from the consequences of his actions, recognizing the need for restraint and the importance of allowing individuals to make their own choices. This evolution showcases his capacity for empathy and growth, as he strives to wield his power with greater understanding and compassion. Join me in the next episode, where we shall delve deeper into the heart of Shakespeare's masterpiece, unraveling its themes, exploring its magical elements. Please subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me.